Well, y'all, want to give y'all an update on the old restoration project. As you can see, we've had to went a little extreme due to this rot. And this is where the old camper is now. You can see where the water's got up in there and rotted the corners out, rotted the floor out. So this is pretty much an entire restoration build. Been working on getting all the stuff off the inside out. I got myself into a pickle. But it'll be brand new when I'm done. Might even redo a few things in there. By the time I'm done, I might even put me a swimming pool in. Who knows? A lot of work, so little time. But this is where I'm at. I'll get the cabinets out, the stove and sink out. Then I'll start rebuilding it from the floor up. Quite the mess. We'll see y'all later. Thank you.